All right, good Monday afternoon, everybody. Hope all is well with you across the great state of Mississippi. All is quiet in the state of Mississippi, but I do want to draw your attention off to the west here, as right here, just west of Vicksburg and just west of Natchez, Mississippi, all of Louisiana and most of Arkansas is underneath a tornado watch, and that tornado watch goes until 7 o'clock. And so this is just off to the west of us. And also, there is a tornado warning that is just about 37 miles to the northwest of Natchez, Mississippi. And this tornado warning is moving in the direction of between Natchez and Vicksburg. Now, as of right now, there are no active warnings in the state of Mississippi. However, for the remainder of the evening, all of these nasty looking storms over here in Mississippi, or I'm sorry, in Louisiana, we will have to watch as they continue to march on off towards the east. And the tornado warning over here, just to the north of Alexandria, Louisiana, is a radar indicated. However, a little bit further back here, towards the area of Colfax, Louisiana, crossing the 49 corridor, this storm has had a history of producing tornadoes. Now, it does look like, if I put this into motion, it does look like that this storm will be north of Natchez. So when it does cross into Mississippi, it is going to be crossing somewhere over here towards the St. Joseph or Port Gibson area. That would be in about 45 minutes or so, give or take, because this storm is moving off towards the northeast at 55 miles per hour. So I would say probably by 5 o'clock, these storms are going to be knocking on the door of the delta of Mississippi. Now, if I switch over here towards the Jackson, Mississippi radar site, you can see that there are ongoing showers and thunderstorms down here in the Pine Belt area from Hattiesburg up to Laurel. And then there's another little batch up here north of Meridian and south of Philadelphia. And this area is going to need to be watched for the potential of large, hail and damaging straight line winds earlier tonight and into the early morning hours tomorrow. And if there is a significant severe weather potential, it is probably going to be from the cities of Vicksburg and Jackson all the way down to Hattiesburg, anywhere where I am circling right here. This is going to be the greatest area of severe weather for this afternoon and this evening. So I wanted to give you guys a quick weather update just to let you know that there is a tornado watch off to your west, and the Storm Prediction Center did post earlier a mesoscale discussion that they are experiencing and seeing more development down here between Hattiesburg and Laurel, and this stuff needs to be watched as we move into the evening hours. And like I said, all modes of severe weather are possible, including the potential of a couple of large tornadoes this afternoon and this evening, especially. And I can actually, give me just a second, I can actually show you where the greatest threat of a large tornado is going to be. And by the way, this is Stephen Ray, and I am a meteorology student over at Mississippi State University. And anybody in the enhanced risk, which is the orange shaded area here, basically from the Jackson, Mississippi area all the way down to Hattiesburg and just off towards the Meridian area. This does include Natchez, Vicksburg, or Jackson. If you are in the orange shaded area here, Forest to Laurel, Hazelhurst, Brookhaven, Macomb, Columbia, Mississippi, even into Hattiesburg, this is the area for the most significant severe weather. And then, of course, you've got the slight risk that is around that that goes from Meridian all the way up to the Highway 82 corridor, north of Starkville and Columbus, all the way to Tupelo. And then, of course, you've got the marginal risk around that. Now, if you are in the Vicksburg area right now, you've got a couple of storms just off to your west. However, those that are north of Winnsboro, Arkansas, those are not severe at the moment. However, they will be moving towards the Vicksburg area within the next 30 to 45 minutes as you come out of Vicksburg going west on 20, heading out of the Louisiana area and Arkansas area. Those storms are packing a punch with a lot of heavy rain over there towards the Vicksburg area, and these storms will be moving in to the Vicksburg area, I would say by 4:15 or 4:30. But like I said, none of those are severe right now. The only active warning, and we just have a brand new severe thunderstorm warning that just popped up.
The National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Tensas Parish in northeastern Louisiana, northern Concordia Parish in northeastern Louisiana, Catahoula Parish in northeastern Louisiana, western Jefferson County in southwestern Mississippi, northeastern Adams County in southwestern Mississippi, until 4:45 p.m. CST. At 3:41 p.m. CST, a severe thunderstorm was located over Walters, or 12 miles west of Jonesville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm will be near Jonesville, Walters, and Archie around 3:45 p.m. CST. Wildsville around 3:50 p.m. CST. Frogmore and Wallace Ridge around 3:55 p.m. CST. Faraday around 4 p.m. CST. Natchez and Ridgecrest around 4:05 p.m. CST. Clayton and Spokane around 4:10 p.m. CST. Vidalia and Lee Bayou around 4:15 p.m. CST. Churchill and Stanton around 4:25 p.m. CST. Source: radar indicated. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $50 size hail. EOT.
So there again, there was the official warning from the National Weather Service out of Jackson, Mississippi, and it does look like that it will be moving through the Natchez, Mississippi area within the next few little bit, as it looks like it is going to be coming through Natchez at 4:05 p.m. So that is the first warning of the afternoon, and as you can see now, the warning does say a tornado is possible with damaging winds upwards of 60 miles per hour, and I do want to highlight this for you as well. That it says right there, Natchez and Ridgecrest around 4:05 p.m. So that is in about 30 minutes from now. So that is the only active warning that we currently have in the state of Mississippi right now. Let me also show you that there are ongoing showers and thunderstorms down here are in the Pine Belt of Mississippi. None of those are severe, but the most severe stuff is going to be back off here to the west. And I will continue to monitor the latest weather information. And if that warning happens to become tornadic, here towards the Natchez, Mississippi area. As always, I will be right back here on social media to provide you with the latest weather information. But as of right now, there is only a severe thunderstorm warning, and this does include western Jefferson County in southwestern Mississippi and northeastern Adams County in southwest Mississippi, and this does include the city of Natchez, Mississippi, and it will be on your doorstep if you were in Natchez, Mississippi at 4:05 p.m. So, guys, I will be back here doing long form tornado coverage in the event that we have any other active warnings. But for right now, I'm going to sign off. If you were in the Natchez area, just know that there is a severe thunderstorm that's going to come through your area around 4:05 p.m. I will be back with more updates as needed right here on social media.